I have two slides here. I think both of them are just really interesting. I think in a world where things are so crazy and they've been so rainy and we can't be together, these slides add a little bit of light to our day. So you're going to copy and paste one of these slides, whichever one you choose to use in your writer's notebook in there. So you're going to go to Edit, Copy, and then you're going to go to your Drive. And in your Drive, you are going to find your digital writer's notebook that you worked on for last week. For a lot of you, you'll be able to click on Recent, and it should pop up right in there. So if this were my notebook, and I had just finished my fourth entry or my third entry, I was working on this one today, I would go to Edit and Paste. And I'm importing this slide. I can match it so the colors are similar, link and keep the original style. You can do it however you would like. I'm clicking Keep Original Style because I like these colors. They're very vibrant to me, but you can make a little change. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to do some writing about what's weighing on my mind right now. You are living in quite literally a time in history that will be talked about forever. Your children and your grandchildren will ask you what you were doing and where you were during this time. And so writing to better understand ourselves and to have these memories so we can look back when you're in 12th grade and you're graduating, you can remember what it was like in 6th grade. You can come back and read here. What you're going to write about is what's weighing on your mind lately with everything going on. All right, talk to you soon.